Hello folks, today we're out here on a job site and I wanted to share with you, what we call prefab home. These actually are built right here in the factory, and right out here on the job site. So you can see what this is. We got it all running across here. We got piles of them here. Let me back this off here a little bit. So you got piles of them here. And then this is, you can see the sheathing. Now check out this sheathing. This is a hardboard type sheathing, and it's got a reflective course on it, coating on it, and it's stapled on, and it's very hard. It's a very rigid board. The trouble is that I see, and you mark my words, one day we'll be talking about this, how right in through here the moisture barrier has been penetrated, and if it's not covered, and a lot of it's not covered with tape, they will literally be well, actually it'll deteriorate and be ruined. So but anyway, see right there, they're all put together, and then they use the foam board and they got it in here. But look here, I want to share with you so you can see it being, the buildings themselves being framed out here, and they're built right here on a slab, and it's pretty cool. This is really the way of the future, I do believe. I think they're going to see more and more of this, especially with 3D housing coming up. Well, anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hey, hit like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it, and we thank you so much for watching, and please pass them on. Thank you, folks.